Welcome to another video from Same Stop. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Virtual Studio Code to make a website. So if you have not downloaded the Virtual Studio Code, the link is in the description. You can go there and download it. So let's get started. What I need you to do, if you don't see it on your desktop, then you can go up here and type Visual Studio Code, and it's going to pop up there. So when it pops up, it's going to be like this. So what you're gonna have to do is that you're going to have to click on open folder, which is where your source is going to be. Let me say I want mine in camera roll. Click on select folder. That is where all the work you are doing is going to be going to. So I'm going to click on new file. You can name it anything you want. You can name it anything you want, but don't forget you must put .html. No matter what you name it, it must be .html, because that's what this recognizes. See the logo. Once I put .html, it's automatically change. See, because that's what it understands. So you're going to click enter. Now you have your. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to click doc type. That's to tell them that your doc type is HTML. Then enter. You're going to open HTML and close that. So it's going to double. So everything you do is going to be within this that you have done. So you can take it lower if that's not okay. Now what you want to do is you're going to create a head. Close that. So write whatever you want the head to be. Same. So after everything, don't forget to save it. You can simply press Ctrl S to save. Ctrl S is to save what you have done. Then you can click on it and click open in default browser. It's an extension. I'll teach you how to install extensions later on. See, same.html. That's the title. That is the head. That's what's over here. So let's get started with the title. Let me see my title: how to create a web page. Then you save that, Ctrl S. Then if you refresh it, see how to create a web page. That's going to be the title of your work. See, the title is over here. Then your head is going to be the first thing, which is over here. Understand? So next, you're going to need a body, which is the components. Then you can space that out, since you're going to need plenty space for that. Your body, a H1 is the biggest form of text in this. So what you're going to write, you write anything you want in it. It's an old movie. So when you refresh that, I am legend. So there are also other forms. It's not only H1, there is H2. Which is similar but smaller. See, so when I refresh it, there's also H3. um I am a web designer. When you save that and you go and click F5, see, it's just like increasing and reducing. So when you want to type in your text, you need to create a paragraph. So you create P for paragraph, then you close that. This is your paragraph. So you can write whatever you want to write. As a teenager in secondary school, if you're watching this, please subscribe and like. So that's what's going to be shown in your paragraph. See, you can actually change the color, can change the handwriting, can change different things. So what this is useful, you're going to search. Let me say when you're done coding, it's going to be very long. So what you need, you cannot start searching for what you're looking for. So let me say I'm looking for the part I said please subscribe. See, it has shown where it is. See, that means you can know where whatever I have done is. So you can also replace it with what you want, like you can add videos, you can add different things to your HTML. See, so what this does is your source control. Like you can add JavaScript to your HTML code, you can add different things. So what is that's for control. This is for debugging. If there is something like a virus in your code, it's going to alert you over here, so you're going to have to debug it. See, so but currently I don't have any, no problems. So these are extensions. Like this one I'm using is not the default, so I had to install it. That is the material icon theme. See, then this is the opening browser, because normally when you just install it newly, you can't open your files in browser, so you have to install that extension. But what you can actually do is you can save it and then open it in the folder that you have done it. So if you are having like you're making like a link to your this thing and you want to work with the two of them on the same page, what you can actually do is view editor layout. You can go to split down, then you can come over here. So now you have what you're doing here and what you're doing here on the same page. If you don't want it, you can simply just close it from here. Another thing you can do, I've enabled auto save, so anything you do is to automatically save. You can go to view appearance, but this mode is not so good, so I prefer not to use it. You can click off the Zen mode, which means your work is back. So when you are done with your work, you can actually align everything. So you go to format documents. It's help you to arrange everything in like this body, and this is the beginning and the end. Paragraph, this is where the paragraph lasts from. Can help you with those. You can actually do so if you are done with your work, you can exit it, right? And when you come back anytime, just off white from where you started. So this is where I stopped the last time, and this way I'm back. If you like that, please subscribe, like and comment for more videos. And I'm offering free gifts, so if the ways to get it, if you want it, you can just simply subscribe, like and give a good comment. But if you don't like the video, feel free to stop, to not give a good comment.